Stop scrolling. If you're a guy trying to look fresh in 2025, I've got the best hairstyles for every hair type and vibe. Save this for your next barber visit and thank me later. Quick rules to win. Pick to your face shape, pick to your hair type, pick to your lifestyle. If you hate styling, go low maintenance. If you love texture, lean into it. Ready? Let's go. 1. The Textured Crop 2.0. Short sides, choppy on top, slight fringe, works on straight to wavy hair, hides cowlicks, looks great messy. Ask for low to mid fade, point cut texture, matte finish, 30 seconds with clay and you're done. 1. The Modern Curtains, middle part, medium length, flowy, perfect for straight hair, perfect for wavy hair, softer jawlines, teen college vibes. Use a light sea salt spray and let it air dry. It screams effortless. 1. The Wolf Shag, layered, airy, a little wild. Best on wavy hair, best on curly hair. Adds volume, frames the face, grows out beautifully. Diffuser, curl cream, done. 1. The Clean Taper, not a fade. Neat taper at the neck, neat taper at the sides. Great for school, great for jobs with dress codes. Works with every hair type. Low maintenance, looks sharp daily. 1. The Burst Fade Mullet, edgy but wearable. Curly, straight. Ask for a burst fade around the ear. Leave length at the back. Texture on top. Use paste for definition. 1. The Drop Fade Slick Back, sleek, mature, crazy clean. Best on straight to wavy hair with density. Blow dry back with a brush. Use a light pomade. No helmet hair. 1. The Soft Quiff. A little height, natural movement, great on square faces, great on oval faces, pre-styler, quick blow dry, matte paste, looks pro without trying. 1. The Curly Crop. Plus, line up, keep curls tight on top, crisp outline at the hairline, medium to tight curls look amazing. Hydrate with curl cream, don't overbrush. 1. The French Crop with micro fringe, tiny fringe, heavy texture, low sides, super low effort, high style. Ask for textured top, blunt 1-2 some kilo fringe. 1. The upgraded Edgar, tack watch, cleaner fade, softer top texture. If you like bold lines, this is your 2025 version. Keep the top light, not blocky. Fast face shape guide round, go higher on top, tighter on the sides. Try quiff, try textured crop, square, soft layers. Try wolf shag, try curtains, oval. You can wear anything. Lucky, long, avoid too much height. Try curtains, try taper, try curly crop. Hair type cheats. Straight, blow dry for volume. Finish with matte clay, wavy, sea salt spray plus cream. Don't overstyle. Curly, hydrate, diffuse low heat, hands off when dry. Thick, thin out with texture shears. Ask your barber. Fine. Keep it shorter on the sides. Add layers up top. Maintenance math, if you want it crispy, cut every 2-3 weeks. If you like a lived-in look, every 4-6. Now the viral loop, drop your hair type and the number you're picking in the comments. I'm pinning the best transformation idea. I'll shout out one of you next video. Screenshot this list, send it to your barber. Tag a friend who needs a glow up. If this helped, tap like, hit subscribe. Save this for your next cut. New style guide next week. Be early, look better. See you in the chair.